This printer is Canon PIXMA G650 or G600 series. What I want to do is to show you ways to print documents from computer with this printer. First of all, you need to make sure the printer and your laptop are connected together via Wi-Fi network or Wi-Fi direct or with a USB cable. In this case, we connected the printer via a wireless network and add it to computer. To do this, you need to go to laptop start. After you connected the printer to network, go to laptop settings, select printers and scanners. Then you need to add a device. After you add a device, you need to look for Canon G600 series. Select on it. It will show you that the printer is idle. You can print a test page if you like. Now to print documents, go to File Explorer on your laptop. Then select Documents. Then type the documents you want to print out. You can type the name of the document. Double click the file to open. This is the document I want us to print out, 2-page document. To print it out, you select Ctrl P or you select print icon on top. So select Ctrl P. Then scroll down and select correct printer from the list. So look for Canon G600 series. Then select pages. Want to print all and want to print it in color. More settings. Then select the size of the paper. I want us to print it two-sided. Select print on both sides. Flip long edge. Then select print. So it will show you printing. And we selected to print on both sides. To take the document, we load it on the tray with the area printed facing at the back. Then select OK to print the second page. This is the document we printed on both sides. Another method to print document, we're going to use Canon Print app. The printer and laptop both are connected together via Canon Print app. And this is the printer, Canon G600 series, and this is the printer and ink level. To print document, then select Document Prints. Then go to Documents on your laptop and type the document you want to print out. Select on the document, then select Open. The file is opening up. Then select Close. So this is the document you want to print out, 2-page document. On the right side, select the paper size as A4. Orientation, Portrait. You want to print all. Media type, plain paper, duplex printing. Scroll down, select duplex printing. Long edge, print quality, auto, borderless is off. 1 page per sheet. Want to print in color. Paper source, real paper tray. Want to print it 1 copy. Then select print. So we selected to print on both sides. It will show you to print on both sides. Select the prompt. Then take the document, reload it on the tray. Once you reload it, you can select continue. Once you reload it, then you select OK. It will print out the second page. You can select cancel if you change your mind, or select stop button to cancel the job. This is the document we printed out two-sided. So these are methods to print document from computer with this printer. Thank you very much indeed.